What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I got for you guys yet another Amazon Wi-Fi speaker. I've just been into it a lot recently. You guys have seen a couple of my other videos. I've done about 3 so far. We did the DOS speaker, the Bravenville, and of course the Echo, which I actually have here. This is the one I'm currently using, and it's actually really good, really good. Good size, good sound, good overall everything. But I wanted something with just overall better sound quality along with the Amazon Alexa functionality. So I went ahead and picked up this guy right here. Massive box. We just grab it over here. It's by far, let me see if you guys can get just a little size comparison right there. Let's pull this over here. There's a box right there, guys. It's pretty huge. Yeah, and I can't wait to check it out. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Now, I did pay $2.99 for this crazy ass speaker. Link is in the description below in case you guys want to check it out after the video. And let's see if it's actually worth $2.99, guys. So let's jump into the unboxing, check out what we get, and do a quick setup, and maybe you guys can get a quick sound of how the speaker sounds. Alright, so let's jump into that. Alright, guys, we got the box here. I went ahead and grabbed my trusty blade right here. I believe this is a Swiss Army blade. It's pretty cool. I like it. I'll just jump into the unboxing. So let's rip off this top right here. I'm kind of reopening it because I did open it before just to see, just get a quick look of how big it was. Let's jump into this crazy box. Alright, we got the top open, we got the blade out the way. Alright, so first off we have this crazy styrofoam thingy right here. We don't need that, let's get that out of the way. So, garbage. Yeah, and that's the speaker, guys. Check that out, guys. That is crazy huge. That's everything that was in the box. Well, in that box at least. This is the speaker. It looks awesome, guys. It's a lot bigger than what's advertised on Amazon. So do keep that in mind when if you do decide to pick this up. It's a pretty large speaker. And I'm almost sure it's gonna live up to what I read on Amazon. Alright. Take the plastic off. This is a cool looking speaker, guys. So let's take a look at the box real quick. So it's cylindrical shape. This is what the Libratone Z1 wireless speaker. As you twist the box, you get some information. You just bring it up a little bit. You get some information right at the bottom there, guys. It does say that it's SoundSpace link connects up to 6 speakers via Wi-Fi through every space inside and outside your home. So you can actually connect up to 6 speakers at once, guys. You get store up to 5 internet radio stations, 360 full sound room, 8 to 10 hours battery life, guys. So this is portable. That makes it a whole lot better, guys. You get your speakerphone. Is that a different language? Yes, it is. Those are our different languages. And that's some of the apps that it runs on. And it's made for iPod and iPhone. So that might be an issue, guys, because I do use Samsung. I did not check up on that, but I do have the iPhone available. So we're going to use the iPhone to power this bad boy up and see exactly how this sounds. So let's rip it open. Let's grab back our trusty knife again. Give it a nice, easy... I almost cut myself, guys. Alright, just gonna just a little cut right there. We don't want to completely mess the box up. One more time right here. Alright, I think that'll do it for the Scotch tape. Take off the top. Oh, guys, the packaging feels really nice. We got Discover, rating material, more rating materials. You guys can... Oh, alright, so does this come in a variety of colors? There's all the colors. I forgot what color I picked up. I will both be finding out today, guys. We will both be finding out. So you got paper material out the way. Got some more stuff in this unboxing. This unboxing is really high quality, guys. I mean, for 300 bucks, it should be high quality. Alright, so we have our power supply, which is... Don't know what that connection is, but we'll figure it out. It does have an adapter in there. There we go. So that's the adapter right there. so you can go ahead and plug this up. The wire is braided, so that's really nice right there. It means that it could take a beating. It's not going to easily break like your cheap average speaker. So that's really good. So far the unboxing is looking pretty good. We got another styrofoam to take out right here. Boom. Then the speaker is in here, guys. Da 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 da. And I got the green one, guys. I went ahead and got the green speaker. So that color is very sexy, guys. Very, very sexy looking color. I like it. I like it so far. I like it. I like it. Now, I thought it was going to be as big as the box. So this is the box right here. Let me just bring the box into frame. This is the box. That's the speaker. So we kind of got full in the box, but the speaker itself is still quite large. We have this cool zipping function right here, which we're going to see what it actually does. It goes all the way around. Does it do anything? Oh, you may be able to take off the top of this, but there we go, guys. You might be able to take off the top, but we're not going to really mess with that right now until I actually mess around with it and see how this thing actually works. That's the speaker right there. So let me go through the instructions really quickly, and we're gonna get this thing set up. We're gonna drop some sound on it, see how it sounds, and I'll be back in a sec, guys. Alright, guys. So right off the bat, we're having a little bit of issue setting up the Alexa or the Wi-Fi connection, because mainly I wanted to try the Alexa functionality of it, and that's actually giving me a little of a hard time to set up. So I'm gonna try to do it with you guys on camera, and maybe if I miss something, hit it up in the comments below. So this is the instruction right here, and the first thing they say you have to do is you have to grab your phone and download the Libratone app. So let's go into, I actually had it downloaded already. Then you're gonna turn on your speaker. Go ahead and turn that on. You're supposed to hit that button right there, and this is supposed to, the bird's supposed to start bright lights to just come on. There we go. Boom. And then it says wait for about 20 seconds. So we're actually gonna wait 20 seconds. Speaker, and then okay, step 3, we're gonna try to connect it to Wi-Fi. Let's run the app and see if it finds any. There we go. So it found my speaker that I was trying to set up. Okay, so we know it's working, and it's all connected to Wi-Fi. Now it's there. Everything is there. Okay, now funny as it is, if you want to set this up to use Alexa, you actually have to hit these 3 dots, go to support, and if you hit connect with Alexa, they actually have an entire video, and you can't skip through the video, or you can pause it, but you can't skip through on your own. So this is the way, or the guide of helping you set it up with Alexa. So it looks like you have to have either a dot plugged in. They didn't specify if you could use an Echo, because I do have an Echo, but they had a dot there. I would assume you can use an Echo. So you follow along all this instructions, which I did. I'm gonna show you guys right now. So mainly what they told you to do first is to register your product. So we're going to do that right now. If you go to my profile, register product right at the bottom there, and then my product is registered because it says unregistered. And you can unregister it if you want to get rid of the speaker, but mine is currently registered. After registration, you're then supposed to head over to the Amazon Alexa app, and where you hit the 3 dots right there, and then where it says skill, you hit skill, and then you should be able to search for Libratone. So we're going to do that right now. Oh, there we go. So we're going to try Libratone. It pops up right there, and there's the thing. And then you're supposed to, let's disable it just for the hell of it. Okay, we're going to enable it right now. There you go. It's going to try, and then you log in with your information. I'm going to log in off camera really quick. Oh, it linked already, and then your Amazon Alexa is linked. Now once it's linked, you're supposed to be finished, and just hit the discover device. And if the setup was successful, the Alexa app should be able to find the name of the speaker, which in my case is called bedroom. So we're going to wait the 20 seconds, see what happens. The bar is almost filled out. Almost, and 3, 2, 1, and we're good to go. No devices found. That is amazing. All right, let's try that again. Alright guys, so it did went ahead and picked up my speaker, which is called bedroom, and when you open it, it says enable. So once this is enabled, your Alexa should be able to work. And let's give it a shot. Alexa, what's the weather? And as you guys can see, it does not work. And I've been at that for the last hour actually off camera, trying to figure it out, looking at all the YouTube videos, doing a lot of research, and this hasn't been a positive feature of the speaker that it's supposed to be able to work with Alexa. So it doesn't look like, you know, the purpose that I bought this for. I'm actually going to be able to show you guys that function. But all in all, it's still a good speaker as far as the sound. So let's look at some positive. Let's look at some positive, guys. So right off the bat, I'm not going to be keeping this because I don't really need a Bluetooth speaker. I actually need I was trying to get a voice activated speaker where obviously I can link my Amazon Prime and then just play using my voice control. This is supposed to do it. It's not doing it. You know, it's stressing me out right now. But positives, we're going to look at a couple positive connection. So you do get a aux in, which is really cool, and a USB out, which you can actually play via USB. So you can actually connect up a flash drive into that slot, and you can play off the flash drive, or you can do auxiliary and just straight up play from the auxiliary. And it does tell you an instruction here as far as your power in, your aux, USB. Now USB play and charge at the same time, so that can also charge your device. If you're going to be, you know, going out to the beach or something like that, it can charge your device. So that's one cool positive. Not a lot of Wi-Fi Bluetooth speakers comes with this. So that's one good upside to that. Another good upside is that it does have this this multi-link functionality. So if you have multiple versions of the speaker, if you have a huge house and you have maybe 5 of them, and you're having a barbecue of some sort, you can actually sync them up together and have them play as one. I also thought that that's another cool function, and it's right on this page right here. It's called the SoundSpaces link, which allows you to connect up to, I believe, is it? If I remember correctly, I think it's up to 9 speakers, or it may be 6 or 9 speakers. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below, guys. And yeah, so that's pretty cool. The volume control setup, I think, is also really nice as well. It's kind of like this circle thing right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So as you kind of twist, like, there you go. As you twist around and the opposite way back, that's how you control the volume. Battery indicator, you just hit your power button. It gives you the dots. Oh, and it is actually made for iPhone, or it works better with iPhone. So you can AirPlay straight from your iPhone, iPod, straight to the speaker, and you can just drop your Spotify and whatnot onto the speaker, or Apple Music. And of course, for Spotify, you guys can rock with Spotify. And Bluetooth functionality. Now, the Bluetooth function is going to be the way I'm going to be demonstrating the sound of the speaker for you guys, because we didn't get the Wi-Fi part down for the Amazon, and I don't want to play the radio. I want to play some tracks for you guys. So let's head over to the Bluetooth of my phone right here. Gonna open up the Bluetooth, and Bluetooth is currently off. Now to set up the Bluetooth, you should be able to hold this down for about 2 seconds, they say. There we go, and it starts to blink like that, and then it should show up the Libratone ZIPP, which is the one I have. I'm gonna hit connect, and we're connected. So the Bluetooth function of the speaker is a lot better than the Wi-Fi function. I stand corrected. It's a lot better than the Alexa function if you want to do voice. The voice commands is not going to work. The Wi-Fi will work, and the Bluetooth will work. So let me head over to non-copyright music on YouTube, and we're going to drop some sound on this. Sorry for that, guys. That's a little too loud. Going to hit up non-copyright, and we're just going to drop, they have top 30. Alright guys, here we go. Alright guys, I'm gonna just max it out, like maximum, just so you guys can hear the maximum of the speaker. Let's try a different song this time. Let's go this one. This sounds pretty good. Alright, we're just gonna max this one out.
Fill me out with your smile. Like the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out where I'm down.
And that's the way the speakers sound, guys. Now, it's definitely the loudest speaker that I've tried in the last couple speakers I've bought from Amazon. Sound quality is great in this speaker, but I am still disappointed that I was unable to set up the Alexa function of the speaker. Everything else works well. The Wi-Fi works, but I'm unable to airdrop because, you know, copyright and whatnot. The Bluetooth works, as you guys can see, and it sounds really well. The 360 sounds really engulfed my bedroom right now. It fills the room with a lot of sound. Sound quality is great. The only thing I think they need to work on is just a better way to set up the Alexa part of the speaker, and then, you know, I'll give this definitely a 5-star once that is all said and done. And with that, guys, we're gonna end the video right here. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button, and definitely, if you guys had better success with this speaker, leave some comments below of what you guys did to overcome the issue I'm having. You know, help me out, help me get that, you know, that feature going, because I would really like to try the voice Alexa on the speaker, guys. So once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.